Hey there guys, welcome back to Coptalks. Today's video is going to be about a shoulder microphone, more specifically the one from Commountain on Amazon. So like many other officers, I have to purchase a wide selection of my own gear, so I don't really have a whole lot of money to spend. So I needed a shoulder mic for my Motorola XPR 3500E. Specifically, I wanted a shoulder mic that could also incorporate a earpiece, right? So it's not blaring out all the information on people's warrants and then they get all shooty stabby on me. So I came across this one on Amazon and it was about $36. I want to say it was like $35.95 or something like that, and got pretty good reviews and you know, for 36 bucks it's not bad. So I decided to look at the, the Motorola brand one, and that sucker was 85 bucks. 85, and I was like, it's gonna be a no for me, dog. So I went ahead and ordered this one, and I gotta say I'm actually really surprised. This seems to be like some really sturdy, quality made shit. They advertise that this cord is actually Kevlar reinforced. I'm not about to cut this open and confirm that, but I gotta say it's pretty durable. It's lasted a minute. They don't advertise this as being waterproof or weather resistant, but I gotta say it's made it through a couple of rainstorms and just overall environmental conditions that I've had it in so far. It's pretty standard. This rotates 360 degrees just like the Motorola one. Clips on. Plastic seems sturdy enough. It just seems like basic ABS construction. But it does incorporate a 3.5 millimeter jack here where you can actually mount an earpiece. So you can have this mounted on your vest or on your shoulder and still be able to engage the microphone and then be able to hear it in your ear, which I think is pretty cool. So this coiled cable here, it's about 9 inches long. They advertise it as 9.05, and that seems about right to me. But it says at full length of stretch, I guess, whatever you want to call it, it says it's about 40 inches, and that's quite a bit. So you could have this thing sitting in a cup holder in your car and stuff if you're working undercover or plain closed or off duty or whatever, and you have it sitting in your cup holder and the seat next to you. This thing will still reach over to you real easy. The cable seems pretty decent quality. It stretches real good, comes right back. I've had this one for about a year. I don't use it all the time. It really depends on what uniform I'm wearing and kind of what I'm doing if I'm wearing a shoulder mic, but lately I've been wearing it because I've been working in kind of a loud environment. It's hard for me to hear my handheld whenever I'm using it, and I found myself using my handheld more lately. So I gotta say this one's been pretty good, especially for the price. It's less than half the cost of the brand name Motorola, and I gotta say after messing with a couple of Motorola ones, this one feels just as sturdy. You have like a real good tactile and audible response from the button, so you know it's engaged. There's no question of like, am I transmitting? Like, for sure. The Motorola the radio itself actually recognizes it as an accessory. It gives its little jingle on startup if this thing's attached. This thing uses the same mounting style as the Motorola. I've had no issues with it. It's got the rubber around it, seals up real good. This thing has just been a champ. So if you guys like it, if you're looking for something similar, I'm gonna leave not a comment. Well, I probably will leave a comment, who knows, but I will leave a link to this on Amazon down below. You can check it out for yourselves. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, or if you just hate me or something, go ahead and leave those down in the comments too. That'd be fantastic. And if you would, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That would really help me out. I don't get paid for any of this shit, but it will help boost my extremely fragile ego and keep me going another day. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, like I said, help me out and contribute and join the family. Anyway, guys, have a fantastic day. Get some training. Stay safe out there. Have some good food. You know, watch that show you always wanted to watch, and have a fantastic day. I'm sure you enjoy that train in my background as much as I do, because I just love hearing that train all the time.